My name is Can Latif. I am the board member of our company Fupa Lift. Fupa Lift is a 30 years old elevator component manufacturer and also supplier of lift components. We have been supplying some materials from Europe and United States over 30 years. And our company is a family-owned business. Before using eFlow, we have been managing all our processes manually with papers, and all the confirmations of the management has been done also manually. And when we were traveling abroad, due to our relationships with foreign companies, all major points in our processes have been stuck. And before that, we could not solve these problems. But after eFlow, we started to do all the confirmation processes by mobile. And this has also improved our efficiency significantly. Besides eFlow, we are also using customer relationship management software, CRM, and we also integrated our eFlow software with that CRM software. And before using eFlow, we have been attending to some exhibitions and fairs in Turkey and also abroad. And during the exhibitions, we have been filling out the customer forms manually on A4 papers. And after these exhibitions, it created a big workload for us to put all the data into our system manually. But instead now, we are using tablets, iPads during the show when we are dealing with the customer directly. Let me illustrate how we use the eFlow software with our CRM integration. We are filling out the information of the customer, we are filling out what kind of products they are interested in, and at the end we can select what kind of documents we would like to send to the customer. For example, a brochure or a catalog or a price list. So as soon as we finalize the process on eFlow, the mail is automatically sent to the customer while the customer is still at our exhibition stand. We also have production facility, and we produce some of the elevator components in our production facilities. And before using eFlow, we also have been doing the processes of manufacturing manually. But now with eFlow, we are able to control all the manufacturing processes, and also we can give production orders to R&D department. And when the manufacturing is finished, then we also can receive from the R&D department that the production has been completed. So this gives a more visibility over our whole manufacturing processes. Elevator is a system which consists of some mechanical parts and also electronic parts. And these parts have different configurations, which we name as variants. And eFlow has a full integration with variant, which we could not find in other softwares. So eFlow allows us to configure a complete elevator system very easily and without any mistakes. We are using different integrated softwares in our company. The data has been put in our system with different formats. And this has created a big problem while we wanted to create some reports and analyze the data. With eFlow, this has been much easier because we are collecting all the data through eFlow instead of doing multiple softwares. As the board, we are traveling a lot to abroad because of our relationships with our suppliers and foreign customers. When we are abroad, our main processes are usually stuck because they need some approval from the board and so on. This kind of management has not been possible before using eFlow, but after eFlow, we can easily use our mobile phone or tablets to give the approvals for the critical processes. We are working with eFlow because eFlow has reduced our workloads, it has improved our efficiency, and it has made reporting much more easier.